Are you an aspiring author or an entrepreneur interested in learning how to write your first book or digital products, and selling the digital products of your own without spending on expensive ads? This coaching program will help you learn the following. In-depth insight on the concept of establishing your successful business anytime. In-depth tutorial on how to prepare your first digital product, which is also applicable to your trad business. How to find hot, in-demand niches and problems to solve. How to identify, analyze, and define problems people are willing to pay for. Secret concept and tools behind how you can get solution to the problems identified, even as a complete beginner. Easy secret traffic sources with lifelong publicity for your business within your control. In-depth insight and tutorial on how to build your sales funnel from scratch, as a starter. How to market your products without using ads on Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, etc. And many more. To get started, check the description below.